Astro AI Car Hook. The Astro AI Car Hook is the perfect solution for keeping your car tidy and organized. These simple headrest hooks can hold almost anything: groceries, bags, backpacks, umbrellas, bottles, and clothes. With a 22-pound weight capacity, they're strong enough to carry your everyday items without worry. Installation is a breeze. It takes just a few seconds to set them up, and when you don't need them, you can easily hide them away. Whether you need extra storage for a quick trip or want to keep your car clean from clutter, these hooks are super convenient and affordable. At just $5 for a pair, the Astro AI car hooks are a practical, budget-friendly way to add extra space and keep everything in its place. The Beeline Velo 2 is a small but powerful device that makes bike commuting easier, even easier and more fun. Mounted on your handlebars, it connects to your smartphone and gives you turn-by-turn navigation to your destination. Before you start your ride, just pick where you want to go, and the Velo 2 will guide you along the way. It shows you important details like how far you've gone, how much further you need to ride, and how long until you reach your destination. The best part? It's always in your line of sight, so you don't have to keep checking your phone. Built to handle all kinds of weather, the Beeline Velo 2 won't let rain, dust, or cold stop it from working. Plus, with a battery life lasting between 10 to 20 hours, you don't have to worry about running out of power during your ride. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this smart device ensures a smooth and hassle-free biking experience. The Dried Zero. The Dried Zero is a super compact and smart dash cam that makes driving safer and more connected. Made by the Israeli company Dried, this tiny gadget sticks easily to your car's front or rear windshield and starts working right away. It has just one button, and with a single press, it instantly sends your recorded video to the cloud, so you never lose important footage. What makes it really stand out is that it's the world's smallest dash cam with remote cloud storage. The Dried Zero has dual cameras that capture sharp, clear video in 1440p quality at 30 frames per second, with a wide 170-degree view that covers more of the road. You don't need to worry about memory space either. It offers unlimited cloud storage. You can easily transfer videos from the cloud to your phone or computer anytime. Whether you're capturing scenic drives or keeping proof during an accident, this little device has your back. Flybar Master Pogo Stick. The Flybar Master Pogo Stick is a fun and exciting way to get kids moving and laughing outdoors. Perfect for ages 9 and up, this pogo stick is strong enough to support between 80 and 160 pounds, so it's great for older kids, teens, and even some adults. It's designed with safety in mind. Its body is wrapped in soft foam to prevent injuries, and the foot pegs have non-slip textured pads to help you stay balanced while bouncing. It also features a wide rubber tip on the bottom that gives better grip and push-off power, letting you jump higher, up to 3 feet. But the best part? It's not just fun, it's healthy too. Just 1 hour of bouncing can burn up to 600 calories, making it a cool and active way to exercise without even realizing it. The Fobo Tire 2 is a smart and easy-to-use device that helps you stay ahead of flat tires and unexpected problems. This tiny sensor fits right onto your car's tires and keeps track of the air pressure in real time. It connects with a mobile app on your phone, so if anything goes wrong, like a slow leak or sudden pressure drop, you'll get an instant alert. That means no more getting stuck on the road or being late for important plans just because of a flat tire. It gives you time to fix the issue before it becomes serious. The best part? One app can manage several vehicles, making it perfect for families or anyone with more than one car. Installation is quick and simple. You can do it yourself in minutes. Whether you're commuting daily or planning a long road trip, Fobo Tire 2 gives you peace of mind every time you drive. For $160, you get a full kit that's packed with safety, convenience, and reliability. Ghost Pacer. Ghost Pacer is a smart pair of glasses that makes running more fun and motivating by showing you a virtual running partner. When you wear the glasses, you'll see a hologram of a person running next to you. This helps you stay focused and keep a steady pace, just like running with a real friend. You can connect it to a mobile app to adjust the speed and difficulty so it fits your fitness level. One of the coolest features is that you can race against your past runs or even compete with your friend's run, even if they're not there with you. The hologram can run just ahead of you, pushing you to go faster and farther. Research shows people perform better when they're chasing someone, and this gadget uses that idea in a smart way. The glasses are super light, only 3.17 ounces, so they won't bother you while training. With a battery life of 6 hours, they're perfect for most workouts. Ginkgo Smart Moon Lamp. The Ginkgo Smart Moon Lamp brings the magic of the moon right into your room. No need to look out the window. This unique lamp doesn't just light up like the moon, it actually floats in midair. Using magnetic levitation, the moon gently hovers above a stylish wooden base made from natural walnut or ash wood. It's not just for show, the lamp is 3D printed with realistic textures that look just like the surface of the real moon. When it glows, it gives off a soft, calming light that creates a peaceful and dreamy vibe in any space. Whether you're using it as a nightlight, a decoration, or just to impress your friends, the floating effect makes it feel magical and futuristic. Plus, because it levitates, it slowly rotates in the air, adding to the relaxing atmosphere. It's a perfect blend of art, technology, and design. Hanson 4x4. If you're looking for a smoother ride without spending a lot of money, the Hanson Tune 4x4 might be just what you need. Instead of replacing your expensive shocks or suspension, this affordable solution costs only $45. The Hanson Tune 4x4 comes with two small accessories that are easy to install on the rear suspension of your vehicle. In just a few minutes, you can reduce vibrations, especially when you're driving off-road. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or just want to improve the comfort of your ride, these accessories make a big difference without breaking the bank. They help absorb shocks, making your driving experience much smoother. So, if you're looking for an easy and budget-friendly way to upgrade your car's suspension, the Hanson Tune 4x4 is a great choice. Cat Loco. The Cat Loco is a game changer for VR enthusiasts, offering the most realistic virtual adventure. With three lightweight sensors that weigh just over an ounce each, you can walk, run, and move around in your favorite game world like never before. These sensors are super easy to wear and can last up to 10 hours on a single charge, giving you a full day of immersive gaming fun. You can adjust all the settings through a special app, and the sensors use smart algorithms to ignore random movements, making sure only your real actions are transmitted into the game. If you're looking to jump straight into the action, there's a turbo option that automatically picks the best settings for you. The Cat Loco is compatible with over 120 games, including popular titles like Skyrim VR, Fallout 4 VR, and Resident Evil 7. It's also perfect for other VR activities, like virtual fitness or training courses. Kingsong S22 Eagle. The Kingsong S22 Eagle is a powerful unicycle built for serious riders, ideal for those aged 18 to 50. It can reach speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, offering an exciting and fast ride. With adjustable features like rebound, compression, and suspension dampening, you can fine-tune the ride to match your preferences. The S22 Eagle can easily climb stairs, and its spiked power pads ensure you stay firmly in place while riding. This unicycle can carry up to 265 pounds and weighs about 77 pounds, making it sturdy yet manageable. The battery is long-lasting, allowing you to travel up to 322 miles on a single charge, so you can enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of power. For those who love riding at night, the S22 Eagle comes with adjustable headlights to light your way. It also features a built-in stand, making it easy to store when you're done. KM Motors Coin Box. The KM Motors Coin Box is a clever little car accessory that helps keep your vehicle neat and organized. If you're tired of loose change, cluttered consoles, or not having enough cup holders, this gadget is for you. It takes just seconds to install. Simply slide it into the gap between your seat and the center console. Once in place, it gives you an extra cup holder, a small storage space for things like receipts, keys, or gum, and a special coin box to keep your change in one spot. Need your coins quickly for parking or tolls? Just give it a quick push and the coin compartment opens right up. It's super convenient and keeps everything within easy reach while driving. Made to fit most cars, it blends in well with your interior and doesn't get in the way. For only $28, it's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in your daily drive. Whether you're commuting, on a road trip, Moki Doorstep. The Moki Doorstep is a simple yet genius device that makes reaching your car's roof rack a breeze. This lightweight metal step easily locks into your car's door latch at both the front and rear, offering a stable and safe way to climb up. It's designed to fit all cars, making it super versatile for anyone who needs a little extra height to access their roof. The rubber bumper prevents any scratches or marks on your vehicle, so you don't have to worry about damage. Despite weighing just 1.8 pounds, this step is incredibly strong, able to support up to 400 pounds. Whether you're loading up gear or grabbing something from your roof rack, the Moki door step makes the process much easier and safer. For just $45, it's an affordable and practical solution to make your life a little more convenient. Say goodbye to balancing on your car door or struggling to reach your roof rack. Moki has you covered. The PowerVision S1 is a smart and versatile accessory that turns your smartphone into a powerful camera tool. It replaces the need for a tripod, featuring a built-in stabilization system that ensures your videos are smooth and clear, even in fast-moving scenes. Whether you're capturing wide panoramic shots or time-lapse videos, the PowerVision S1 makes it easy to get professional-looking results. One of its standout features is the facial recognition system, which automatically adjusts the phone's position to keep people in the frame. It's perfect for selfie shots or group videos without the hassle of constant adjustments. The device also comes with a stand for easy handling and doubles as a portable battery to keep your phone charged during long shoots. Plus, with its magnetic mount, you can attach your phone anywhere to get creative shots from unique angles. Whether you're filming at home or on the go, the PowerVision S1 gives you everything you need for stunning photos and videos. Quick Snap. Traditional car curtains can be a bit of a hassle, but Quick Snap makes it so much easier to keep your car cool and protected from the sun. These sunshades block out harmful rays, preventing your car's interior from getting too hot and helping to extend the life of your seats and dashboard. The best part? Quick Snap is incredibly easy to use. Unlike old-fashioned curtains that need magnets or suction cups, these sunshades simply fit right onto your car's window. They're so user-friendly that even a child can install them in seconds. Whether you're looking for a quick way to block the sun or need something more convenient than regular curtains, Quick Snap is the perfect solution. Starting at just $80, it's an affordable and effortless way to keep your car cooler and protect its interior from the sun's damage. TITA Temporary Parking Card. The TITA Temporary Parking Card is a sleek and practical way to contact a vehicle owner in case of an emergency. This small, stylish card mounts easily on your car's dashboard, displaying a preset phone number for quick access. What makes it even more convenient is that you can hide the number with just a touch, making it super easy to use when needed. The card's fluorescent lights ensure the number is visible in any light, whether it's day or night. Plus, its anti-slip coating keeps it securely in place without leaving any marks or damage on your dashboard. The TITA card is designed to blend effortlessly into any car interior, adding a touch of sophistication while serving a practical purpose. For just $4, it's a simple yet effective solution that every car owner should have. Ultimate Justice League Batmobile Preview. The Ultimate Justice League Batmobile is an awesome RC toy that feels like it's straight out of a superhero movie. It's packed with cool features that make playtime super fun and exciting. As soon as it starts moving, you'll hear realistic engine sounds that match its speed, and it even leaves a smoke trail behind, just like a real Batmobile. You can raise the car's height by up to 2 inches so it can drive smoothly over rough surfaces. The combat system on top rotates while you play, adding action and adventure to every ride. Inside the car, a tiny Batman figure is sitting in the driver's seat, and he actually turns the steering wheel as you control the car. How cool is that? But the best part? There's a built-in camera that sends a live video straight to your smartphone. That means you can drive the Batmobile while seeing exactly what Batman would see.